waiting for the tea.
Are you repairing your fork?
Got it?
Good job. You see how she like cocks her head? She's like very, very intense in this. Anissa, what are you doing to your fork?
Can you tell the camera what you're doing to the fork?
Nope, can't do. Sorry.
Here you go.
Busy doing things. Got things to do. Got bibs to put on the floor. There we go.
What are you doing?
Don't question genius at work, woman.